Welcome to this short video on users and roles. In this demo, I will show how to create a new user, how to edit a user. I will also talk about the different user roles. And finally, I will explain how to create a custom role. Creating a new user is extremely simple. You can either click on the new button on the top right of the header, and then click on user. Or you can also click on system, which is the last item of the menu, and then click on users and roles. Once you clicked on users and roles, the only thing you have to do is click on the upper right button, new user. You will then land on a screen whose first section will allow you to create a new user by simply adding the name of the user, their email address, and the role you want to assign to them. These are the preset default roles that you can find on the console. Account admin role is a role for administrators who need full rights to manage their entire environment. Limited user is for users who only need limited access to label, note, report, and scan results administration. Read-only user is for users who only need view access to the environment. Reports user is for users who only need to create and manage reports within the environment. And finally, user is for general users who need to create and run scans, set up asset groups, and other common functions. Once you have added the user details, you can either create the user or create the user and send an invite to that user. This invite will be sent via email and will include a link that will allow the user to create a password and access the console. As you can see below, we have a list of existing permissions, and you can see what exact permissions is assigned to each default role once this role is created. You may also want to create your own custom role, and this is possible and very easy to do. To create a custom role, you need to click on the Roles tab, and then click on the New Role button on the upper right side of the screen. You will then have to give a name to your role, a description, and then you will have to enable the permissions that you want to assign to this newly created custom role. Once this is done, you'll just have to click on Save. And the role is created. You can now go back to Users and Roles and see the newly created roles on the Roles tab. I hope you enjoyed the demo, and thank you for watching.